So there's lots of reasons out there why your vehicle may have misfires, but some of the biggest ones are going to be, one is going to be your spark plug. It might be sending some faulty sparks and sparking it at the wrong time. Therefore, your engine's not going to be running as smoothly as possible, and that's what's going to be causing your misfire. You're going to be feeling that jolting. Good thing, spark plugs are usually pretty cheap to replace and pretty easy to replace. Just replace those every about 100,000 miles. Next could be just a fuel filter issue, like your fuel filter is actually clogged or it's not sending the right amount of fuel to your fuel injectors. And this usually happens when you're actually sitting idling, not actually when you're driving. And lastly, it could just be an issue with your timing chain or timing belt. They might be slipping, which is causing a misfire, or it could be something more detrimental with something along with your valve train. Anything a part of any parts of the valve train could be going bad, or it could be a vacuum leak. So all those things are pretty detrimental to your engine. So make sure you take that to your local mechanic and get that checked out before that gets any worse.